Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to talk about Sternberg's theory of love. So, beta, Sternberg's theory of love, he has used three components. He says for the in the process of love, three components are very important, and one is intimacy, and number two it is passion, and number three this is commitment. Intimacy में बेटा the physical closeness, the intimacy that is very important. So intimacy refers to feeling of closeness, connectedness, that you are connected to the person, and bondedness. You feel it is there is a bondedness in loving relationship. So in this, he includes within its purview those feelings that give rise essentially to the experience of warmth in a loving relationship. Like you say, you have intimacy, you have warmth, and you feel connected, and you feel that you belong to that person. So intimacy is very important. So basically what happens, beta, the triangular theory of love that holds that love can be understood in terms of three components that together can be viewed as forming the vertical of a triangle. So the triangle जो स्टर्नबर्ग की थ्योरी का है, that is used as a metaphor. It is not that a strict geometrical model, no. So these three components are like I said, intimacy, passion, and decision and the commitment. So each component manifests different aspects of love. About intimacy, I just told. Number two is passion. So passion refers to the drives. These are the inner drives that lead to romance and the physical attraction and the sexual consumption and related phenomena in loving relationship. Passion, you know how passionate somebody is in loving you, in expressing his or her love for you, that is very important. So the passion component includes within its purview, अपने दायरे में, it includes those sources of motivation and other forms of arousal that lead to the experience of passion in a loving relationship. I'll explain you this. Third is decision, commitment. Decision oblique commitment, it refers in the short term to the decision that one's love is certain. अभी कुछ दिन का जो है infatuation नहीं है. This is the truth, this is the right decision. So and in the longer term to one's commitment, that if I love this person, so I'm committed, I'm deeply committed till my last breath. So that is very important. So what he says सबसे टॉप में ट्रायंगल, ये जो ये ट्रायंगल बनाया, इसमें सबसे इस वाला और टॉप मोस्ट एज के ऊपर इंटीमेसी है, एंड इस वाले कॉर्नर में ट्रायंगल के यू हैव पैशन, एंड यहाँ पे कमिटमेंट है. सो दिस बिकम्स द लव ट्रायंगल. नो व्हाट ही सेज इज दैट द थ्री कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ लव जो है बेटा, दे इंटरैक्ट विद ईच अदर. इंटीमेसी, इफ देयर इज एन इंटीमेसी, सो उस इंटीमेसी में देयर इज अ पैशन, there is a passion, and when there is intimacy and passion, there is a commitment. You cannot stay without that person. So that is very important. So in journal, the components are separable. Intimacy अलग चीज़ है, passion अलग चीज़ है, और commitment अलग चीज़ है. लेकिन प्यार को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए इन तीनों का आपस में जुड़ना जो है, that is very important. So beta, now these three components of love, they generate 8 possible kinds of love. 8 किस्म के, इन 3 कंपोनेंट्स के कॉम्बिनेशन से 8 प्रकार के प्यार जो हैं वो निकलते हैं. सो व्हेन कंसीडर्ड इन कॉम्बिनेशन, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रियलाइज दैट these kinds of love, they are in fact limiting cases. They are limited cases. They are not. So no relationship is likely to be pure case of any of them. अगर 8 जो steps हैं, basically true love is कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज थ्री, तीनों होने चाहिए, इंटीमेसी, पैशन एंड कमिटमेंट। बट अगर जो 8 कॉम्बिनेशन जो हैं वो पूरे नहीं हैं अपने आप में, वो सच्चा प्यार नहीं कहलाते। सो नॉन लव जो है बेटा रेफर्स सिंपली टू द एब्सेंस ऑफ द 3 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ लव। जब किसी इंसान को आपकी तरफ ना इंटीमेसी है, ना पैशन है, ना कमिटमेंट है आपकी तरफ, सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड लव, non-love. And when these three are present, it is called that the person loves you. That is in interpersonal attraction there is love. So liking जो है, किसी की तरफ जो liking है, that results when one experiences only the intimacy component. जब सिर्फ intimacy होता है तो उस component को हम प्यार नहीं कहते, उसको हम जो है liking कहते हैं. So intimacy component of love जो है in the absence of the passion and decision, ना passion है ना decision है, बस intimacy है. So we'll say there's a liking, there is an attraction. So infatuated love जो आज है कल नहीं रहेगा. Why? Because intimacy है, closeness है. So empathy जो है, एक दूसरे की तरफ empathy कि अगर इसको कुछ हो गया I'll die, that passion, that zeal कि इसकी एक एक ख्वाहिश पूरी करने के लिए मैं अपनी जान दे सकता हूँ. That passion is the second component. So romantic love derives from a combination of intimacy and passion components of love. When it is simple infatuation, so that is intimacy. When there is infatuation plus passion, then it is called a romantic love. And component the commitment, the companion love, you have a companion love. So this derives from a combination of intimacy, intimacy and decision. That you were intimate, आप intimate हो गए और physically attract हो गए, and then you committed कि okay I'll decide I'll stay with this person. तो intimacy and commitment हो गया, लेकिन passion कहाँ गया? There's no passion. This is what is happening with normal couples. वो जी तो रहे हैं इकट्ठे, but वो प्यार नहीं है, because एक time में intimacy हो गया तो अब वो उसी को ही भुगत रहे हैं. So we call it companionate love, that you are a companion. So okay मैं अपनी बीवी से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, she's my companion. Companionate love में intimacy plus commitment है. So जो fatuous love है, that results from the combination of passion and decision making, कि passion है और decision कर लिया, intimacy नहीं है. Passion is there, you're passionate and you have commitment. So this kind of love we say this is fatuous love. Fatuous love results from the combination of passion and decision component. So in the absence of the intimacy, तो यहाँ पे भी intimacy जो है वो उसकी कमी है. So consummate or complete love, consummate, CONSUMMATE, consummate or complete love results from the full combination of all the 3 components. So quickly we said that infatuated love results from the experience of the passion component in the absence of the other components of love, ना intimacy और ना जो है commitment है. So the geometry, अगर हम इस triangle की geometry को देखने की कोशिश करें, so love triangle जो है that depends upon 2 factors. Number 1, amount of love, किसको किससे कितना प्यार है, and balance of love, कि प्यार में बैलेंस है कि नहीं है. बैलेंस मीन्स कि ये नहीं कि आज कर लिया और कल बिल्कुल अपोजिट हो गए. सो बैलेंस इज ऑल्सो very very important. So differences in amount of love are represented by different areas of the love triangle. So the greater the amount of love, the greater the area of the triangle. ये triangle इतना भी हो सकता है छोटा सा, और ये इतना greater area का भी हो सकता है. और difference क्या है बेटा? Differences in balance of the 3 kinds of love are represented by differing shapes of triangles. For example, balanced love जो है बेटा, roughly equal amount of each component is represented by an equilateral triangle. मतलब intimacy भी बराबर है, passion भी बराबर है और commitment भी बराबर है. So ये balanced बैलेंस्ड लव है. सो लव डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व ओनली अ सिंगल ट्रायंगल, rather it involves a great number of triangles, only some of which are of major theoretical and practical interest. For example, it is possible to contrast real versus ideal triangle, or one has not only a triangle representing his or her love for the other, but also a triangle representing an ideal other for the relationship. You know, you एक दूसरे के लिए आप role model हैं, you are ideal. So finally it is important to distinguish between triangles of feelings and triangles of action. So theory of love as a story, this was about Sternberg's this thing, triangle of love. He calls that बहुत सारे angles, बहुत सारे triangles जो हैं वो बन जाते हैं. इनकी एक और theory है जिसको हम theory of love कहते हैं. So this theory of love जो है बेटा, we will explain you in the next lecture. Thank you so much.